In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check the bounce rate in Semrush. This is a handy skill, especially for those of you aiming to understand user engagement on your website or a competitor's site. Let's dive right in and walk through this process together. First off, we need to open up your browser and search for Semrush. You can simply type Semrush into your search bar and hit enter. It's a widely used tool, so it should pop up right away in your search results. Head over to their website by clicking on the link that appears. Now that you're at the Semrush homepage, you may see options to log in or sign up. If you already have an account, feel free to log in as you normally would. However, if you're new to Semrush, you'll need to take a few moments to sign up. It's a straightforward process. Just follow the on-screen prompts to create your account. Once you're logged in, let's navigate our way to the Traffic Analytics tool. This is where the magic happens. You'll typically find this under the Market Research section in the main menu or dashboard area. Traffic Analytics allows you to delve into a wealth of data about any website, making it an invaluable feature for marketers and webmasters alike. Now, here comes an important step. You need to input the domain name of the website you wish to analyze. It might be your own website, or maybe you're curious about how a competitor is doing. Type the full domain in the designated field. Be precise here to ensure you're looking at the correct site. And once you've entered the domain, it's time to kickstart the analysis by clicking the Analyze button. This action prompts Semrush to begin gathering and processing all the relevant data pertaining to your chosen site. As Semrush does its thing, shortly thereafter, you will be presented with a comprehensive dashboard. This dashboard contains a slew of metrics, but don't feel overwhelmed. Our focus is on finding the bounce rate. This metric is generally displayed as a percentage and represents the number of visitors who leave the site after viewing only one page. It's a critical indicator of user engagement and the effectiveness of your landing pages. By understanding the bounce rate, you can gain insights into your website's performance and potentially identify areas for improvement. Perhaps a high bounce rate reveals that users aren't finding what they need, or maybe the site requires optimization for better usability. And there you have it, a complete walkthrough of checking your bounce rate in Semrush. If you have any challenges or need further exploration, Semrush offers plenty of resources and support to guide you through.